Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Find X2 Neo. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap Add to Wallet. And now focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. First, let's enter Transit Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty. And now, simply select card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card. And similarly to Loyalty card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. And it's done. All of your passes will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.